What's up, guys? Today, well, wasn't really looking forward to making this video, but I've come to the realization that I need to get rid of this car for multiple reasons. Number one, I mean, I just can't garage keep it. You know, it just sits out here and it rots. Number two, I mean, kind of same reason as number one, but the hatch just keeps leaking. I've tried fixing it multiple times. And also, the third and biggest reason is because I'm just being real with you guys, but back April 5th of this year, I actually got laid off from my job after 9 years of working there. So I'm currently looking for a new job. And yeah, so I just don't have money to throw at this thing right now. It's just a headache right now. And I'm sure it's gonna go to a better owner that can take care of it more than I can. But yeah, it's got a bash bar, it's got a Mishimoto radiator, it's got a 5-lug swap all around with Z32 brakes. It's got a new hatch seal. It's got S14 seat belts that I put in. It's got a crackless dash. I have the whole interior stripped out of it right now, but I had a good run in this car. I bought it back in 2013 from a friend. It ran excellent, it never broke down. It's just time to close this chapter, you know? So I hope you guys can understand that. I'm thankful for everyone that's supported this channel. Hope everyone is doing good. Take care, be safe, and I will see you in the next video, which is gonna be a 4Runner video. I actually have a few, 2, maybe 3 videos in the works on the 4Runner right now. So that's kind of been my main focus. I wish I could have put more time and effort into this thing, but you know, life happens, so. All right, guys, well, I will catch you in the next video, and yeah, take care. Peace. Thing's all coated in brake fluid. Wonder why. Huh, that's weird. Rad as fuck. So